Welcome to our DIY bookbinding tutorial. In this video, we will dive into the wonderful world of creating your own handmade books. We will explore the art of bookbinding and provide you with all the essential information you need to begin your bookbinding journey. From basic tools like bone folders and awls to materials like paper and bookcloth, we will discuss everything you need to get started on your bookbinding projects. By the end of this video, you will have a solid understanding of the tools and materials required for DIY bookbinding. Selecting the perfect materials is crucial for a successful bookbinding project. In this segment, we will walk you through the process of choosing the right paper weight, texture, and grain direction to suit your bookbinding needs. We will also discuss the various types of threads that work best for different binding techniques, as well as cover materials such as bookcloth and decorative paper. By understanding how to pick the ideal materials for your project, you will be well equipped to create beautifully crafted handmade books. Delve into the enchanting world of bookbinding techniques with us. We will showcase the essential skills of folding, sewing, and gluing that form the backbone of handmade book creation. Learn the art of folding paper to create signatures, master the intricate sewing patterns that bind the pages together, and discover the most effective gluing methods for a durable finish. By unraveling these fundamental techniques, you will gain a solid foundation in bookbinding and be well on your way to crafting your own beautiful handmade books. Embark on your bookbinding journey by learning how to create your very first handmade book. Follow our step-by-step guidance as we take you through the binding process, starting from folding the pages into signatures to attaching the cover for a polished finish. Discover the intricate yet rewarding art of hand binding as you bring together each element with precision and care. By mastering the process of creating your first handmade book, you will unlock the doors to endless possibilities in the world of bookbinding. Elevate the aesthetic and durability of your handmade books with our expert tips on finishing touches. Discover the secrets to achieving a professional look by adding embellishments, decorations, and protective elements to your bookbinding projects. From selecting the right adhesive for a secure hold to incorporating decorative elements like ribbons and closures, we will guide you through the final steps to enhance the overall appearance and longevity of your handmade books. With these valuable tips, you'll be able to create stunning, professional quality books that are sure to impress.